Premakatha Chitram bus stop ee rojullo fame. I would like to call Hanumantrao garu, who is our principal, who is our beloved principal of Madrasa Engineering College. Sunil Kumar Reddy garu, who is the director of upcoming movie Nenem Chinnapillodni Gaadu fame. Mahavir of 3G Love Fame. Please welcome him with a round of applause. And now, Mr. Ayush of 3G Love Fame. Please welcome him with a big hand.
Young boys and girls trying to do whatever little bit you can do for the society. I really appreciate that initiative, and I won't take much time, but I would just say one thing. We all keep complaining about the system, we all keep complaining about politics, we all say that things cannot be changed in the society, but we don't come forward, we don't take the first step to change that. I request you all to be part of the change and make the first step so that we can reach our goal. And once again, I congratulate all of you for one thing. We all, every citizen of India, every citizen in any democratic country, we have two things. We have our rights and we have our responsibilities. What we generally do is, we just keep fighting for our rights. We forget our responsibilities. India will be the most powerful country in the world only when we realize what our responsibilities are. So, you're all boys and girls who are doing that. You are understanding what your responsibilities are. You know what your responsibility towards the society is. So, keep up, keep going. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Those problems that what we have around, the poverty is one case is RTH has taken very seriously, and it's the mindset. Poverty is nothing that what we see physically, it's the mindset of the people, and we'll have to change the mindset. So it's not just giving some cosmopolitan beauty for a city or some immediately helping them to find out some needs or something. It's actually basic mindset we'll have to work on. So the poverty lies in our mind, we have to fight it first, and really we should strive that everybody of us that India is going to be a really, as our good friend told, it got the potential to be the greatest country in the world, provided all the youngsters today, because majority of the population are youngsters. That's what even we are making films for the youngsters only these days, because you are the one who can take the society forward and really take some good initiative. And I really appreciate and congratulate every participant of this event today, and the RTH which is organizing this, and everybody who is supporting this cause. And thank you for making me a part of this program. Thank you.
I would request Marti garu to speak a few words.
Thank you everyone. That rising to help people who are helping the people. I'm very happy to be one of the part in this program. All the best to entire team of Ayushi and RTH also. Thank you so much for making me here. Thank you.
I would request the hero Mahavir garu to speak few words.
Good morning to one and all. Respected to the dignitaries on stage. ఎక్కువగా చెప్పలేను, బట్ మనం చనిపోయే ముందు కనీసం కొంతమందికైనా హెల్ప్ చేసి చనిపోదాం. ఎవ్రీవన్ కాంట్ హెల్ప్, బట్ ఎవ్రీవన్ కెన్ హెల్ప్ సమ్వన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Now there's a small